One good thing about music: when it hits you, you feel no pain. Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? When you smoke the herb, it reveals you to yourself. Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. None but ourselves can free our minds. Money can't buy life. I know, have education. I have inspiration. If I was educated, I would be a damn fool. If something can corrupt you, you're corrupted already. Tell the children the truth. My future is righteousness. Truth is, everybody is going to hurt you. You just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. In this bright future, you can't forget your past. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. When one door is closed, don't you know, another is open. Every time I plant a seed, he say, kill it before it grow. He say, kill it before they grow. I don't stand for the black man's side. I don't stand for the white man's side. I stand for God's side. Man is a universe within himself. The more people smoke herb, the more Babylon fall. I don't believe in death, neither in flesh nor in spirit.